Meet Roger Bannister, an ordinary Oxford medical student who loved to run. He trained just 45 minutes a day, no time for more. Meanwhile, scientists and doctors were obsessed with a question: what's the fastest a human can physically run a mile? Their studies concluded it was impossible to break 4 minutes. No runner had ever done it. But on May 6, 1954, Roger lined up on Oxford's track, ready to shatter that belief. With two friends, Brasher pacing the first 2 laps, Chataway the third, Bannister sprinted the final lap alone. The result? 3 minutes, 59.4 seconds. Impossible? Hardly. Roger wasn't superhuman. He just refused to accept the limit. And here's the kicker. Within 2 months, John Landy broke the barrier too. Soon, 100 followed, and today, even non-pros hit sub-4. What made the impossible possible? And why do some give up on easy tasks? Stick around. The answer's coming, and it'll blow your mind. The power of belief. This isn't just about running. In 1982, Angela Cavolo lifted a car to save a son. Studies show teachers' expectations can skyrocket or tank a student's performance. If a teacher believes a kid's a star, they shine. If they are labeled a failure, they flounder, even if they are gifted. Himalayan Sherpas, with genetic mutations for insane oxygen efficiency, whole gear up Everest like it's a stroll. What lets people achieve the impossible or quit on the simple? It's all about beliefs, mental assumptions you accept as true, shaping your reality. Your brain's billions of neurons wired together through experience. As neuroscientist Donald Hebb said in 1949, neurons that fire together, wire together. Get applause for public speaking as a kid? You build confidence circuits. Get laughed at? You wire insecurity. Emotions and repetition cement these connections into beliefs. I'm terrible at math. My friend Anna's trustworthy. Or even the Earth orbits the sun. The trap of confirmation bias. Here's the catch. Your brain loves to double down. Confirmation bias makes you seek, interpret, and remember only what fits your beliefs, ignoring contradictions. Think you're bad at something? You'll notice every mistake and miss every win. But your prefrontal cortex, your brain CEO, can challenge this. It weighs reason and emotion, updating beliefs if you're open. The limbic system, like the amygdala and nucleus accumbens, adds emotional weight. A dog bite scars you with fear. A standing ovation fuels confidence. Intense emotions burn beliefs into your brain, for better or worse. Believe a 4-minute mile is possible? Your heart pumps harder, muscles fire stronger. Your limits aren't yours, they're your brain's. Autoefficacy, the game changer. In 1977, Albert Bandura introduced autoefficacy, believing in your ability to succeed. Those who trust their skills persist longer and achieve more. A student who believes they can solve a math problem will keep trying, while doubt makes you quit early. Your brain set the ceiling, but you can raise it. The problem? Learn helplessness. In a 1967 study, dogs shocked in a locked box stopped trying to escape, even when moved to an open one. Humans do this too, believing we're stuck when we're not. The good news? We can reason our way out. How to break limiting beliefs. Here's the hack to shatter those mental chains. Deconstruct your beliefs. Take something you think you can't do, like public speaking, and break it into tiny parts. Standing up, opening your mouth, saying one sentence. Challenge each part ruthlessly. Is it really true you can't say one sentence? Test it. Most parts won't hold up. Keep only what's undeniably true, then rebuild your approach from there. You'll find 90% of your limits are lies. This method's simple here for brevity, but it's a game changer. Want the full breakdown? My book dives deeper with this and dozens of systems to crush limiting beliefs and train your mind to win. Your challenge. You are not bound by your limits. They are just beliefs. Roger Bannister didn't have superpowers. He had a mindset. Angela Cavolo didn't lift a car with magic. She believed she could. Your brain's wiring isn't destiny. You can rewire it. Pick one impossible goal. Break it down, challenge every piece, and act on the truth. You don't need to believe in miracles, just in your ability to take one step. Drop a comment. What limit will you break? I'm reading everyone. Yours might get a shout out. Hit like, subscribe for more. Grab these, start rewiring. Share with someone stuck in their limits, and let's aim for the stars together. If you miss, you'll still land on the moon. And if not, you'll live boldly. See you in the next video. Hit that link and let's keep going.